What is this?
These are beads. Papa bought these from the market.
They are so colorful. What do you do with them?
I am going to make bangles with these beads.
Can I also make bangles? Chinu, come here. Let us make bangles with these beads. Futa, you also come here.
Bangles? It will be fun to make bangles.
Meenu, how do we make bangles?
I will show you. Look at the bead. It has a hole in it. You have to take a thread and put it through the hole. Now take another bead and put the thread like this.
Oh, it looks so nice. Can we put more beads?
Yes, we will use 10 beads to make a bangle.
Meenu, give me some beads. I will also make bangles.
I also want to make bangles.
Okay, we will all make bangles. Chinu, these beads are for you. Futta, take this. Buzz, these beads are for you. I will keep these beads.
Here, I have some thread. We can use this thread. Let us make the bangles now.
We have all made our bangles now. Let us see how many bangles we made. I made one bangle with 10 beads. I have 6 more beads left. Buzz, can you tell how many beads I have?
How many beads? I don't know. How do you count the beads?
Look, I have one bangle with 10 beads and 6 more beads are left. That is 10 plus 6. So, I have 16 beads.
Oh, now I know. Futa, you have 16 beads.
I made 2 bangles. There are 10 beads in this, and there are 10 beads in this bangle. I have 4 more beads left. That is 10 plus 10 plus 4. So, I have 24 beads.
I have made one bangle with 10 beads. I have 8 more beads left. That is 10 plus 8. So, I have 18 beads.
Look, my bangle is very beautiful. I made one bangle with 10 beads. I have 2 more beads left. I will tell you how many beads I have. That is 10 plus 2. So I have 12 beads.
Let us see how many beads Buzz and I have together. First, let me keep the bangle here and some loose beads here. Meenu, can you give me a chalk? I have 16 beads. I will now write 1 under the bangle.
Why?
Because I made one bangle. Then I will write 6 under the beads.
because you have 6 more beads left?
That's right, Buzz.
Now I will write my beads. I also made one bangle, so I will write 1 here. I have 2 more beads left, so I will write 2 here.
That's right, Buzz. Now we will add them. We will add the loose beads first. So it is 6 plus 2.
I know 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So we will write 8 here.
That's right, Buzz. Now we will add the bangles. 1 plus 1 is 2. We will write 2 here. So we have 28 beads.
I know, Futa. We made 2 bangles. There are 10 beads in each bangle. So it is 20 beads and we have 8 more beads. So we have 28 beads.
That's right, Buzz. Now let us add Meenu and Chinu's beads.
Yes, Futta. I have 24 beads and Chinu has 18 beads.
Let me add now. Meenu has 24 beads. So she has 2 bangles and 4 more loose beads. I will write 2 under the bangle and 4 under the loose beads. I have 18 beads, 1 bangle and 8 more loose beads. So I will write 1 under the bangle and 8 under the loose beads.
First, we must count the loose beads. So 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Meenu, where will I write 12?
I will tell you, Buzz. Look, there are 12 loose beads. We can make 1 more bangle with 10 beads. Let me make it.
Now we have 1 more bangle. So I will put a small 1 here to remember 1 more bangle.
Now I know there are only 2 loose beads. So I will write 2 here.
That's right, Buzz. Now we will add the bangles. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4.
Oh, that small one is the extra bangle.
That's right. So it is 42 beads. Meenu and Chinu together have 42 beads.
We have 4 bangles with 10 beads in each of them. That is 40 beads and we have 2 loose beads. So we have 42 beads.
Hey, this is fun. We will do 1 more. Let us add Chinu and Futa's beads.
Okay, I have 16 beads and Chinu has 18 beads. Now we will add 16 and 18.
Wait, let me write. I will write 16 like this and 18 like this. 16 plus 18 Now I have to add the loose beads first. So 6 plus 8 equals to 14. Oh, what do I do now?
Buzz, you forgot. Look, there are 14 loose beads. You can make one more bangle with 10 beads.
Now I know. I will write a small one for the extra bangle here. So there are 4 loose beads. I will write 4 here.
Now we will add the bangles. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. It is 34 beads.
Futa, I can also add like this now.
I will tell you an easy way to add. Futta has 16 beads. Chinu has 18 beads. If Futta gives 2 beads to Chinu, then Chinu will have 20 beads.
I know. Futa will have 14 beads.
That's right. So, it is easy to add 20 and 14. 20 plus 14 is equal to 34.
Oh, it's so easy.
Okay, Buzz, try this now. 35 plus 17.
Let me write it now like this. First, I will add 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 equals to 12.
So you write a small 1 here, 2 here. Now add the bangles.
Okay. 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 5. So, I will write 5 here. It is 52 beads.
That's right, Buzz. Now you know how to add. Come, let us add some more. Let's do 57 plus 29.
Okay, let me write it now. First, I will write 57 like this. Then, I will write 29 like this.
Let me add now. First, I will add 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. So, I will write a small 1 here and I will put 6 here.
Now, let me add 1 plus 5 plus 2 equals to 8. So it is 86 beads.
Hey, you are right, Buzz.
I want to add the flowers now. Look, there are 15 red flowers here. There are 17 yellow flowers here. I want to add them.
Come here. Let's write it now, like this. 15 plus 17.
What is that? 10 and 1.
Buzz, it is tens and ones.
Tens and ones?
Buzz, it is something like the bangle and loose beads we kept to add. One bangle has 10 beads, so we write 10 instead of keeping a bangle. And we had loose beads, so we write 1 instead of the loose beads.
Oh, now I know.
Look, there are 15 red flowers here. That is 10 plus 5. So, it is 1 10 and 5 ones. So, we write 1 under 10 and 5 under 1.
And there are 17 yellow flowers. That is 10 plus 7. So it is 1 10 and 7 ones. So we write 1 under 10 and 7 under 1.
Oh, now I know. I will add now. First, 5 plus 7 equals to 12. I will write a small 1 here. Then I will write 2 here.
That's right. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. It is 32.
So there are 32 flowers.
Let's add the marbles now. There are 18 blue marbles here. There are 24 yellow marbles here. Buzz, how many marbles are there in all?
Let me write it now. 18 plus 24 Look, Meenu, I wrote 10 and 1 also.
That's very good, Buzz. You should always remember to write 10 and 1.
First, I will add 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 equals to 12. I will put the small 1 on top like this and write 2 here.
Then you should add 1, 1 and 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 42 marbles in all.
Buzz, come, let's do this. Yesterday, I bought vegetables and fruits from the market. I paid 18 rupees for the vegetables and I paid 16 rupees for the fruits. How much did I pay in all?
Okay, let me think. Let me write it first. 18 plus 16. First I will do 8 plus 6 equals to 14. I will write this small 1 here. Now I will write 4 here.
Now, let's do 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, I paid 34 rupees. Friends, it's fun to add. You can also add using beads, seeds, shells, marbles or flowers. Friends, let us add now. Will you take your notebook and pencil? Buzz will also do it with you. 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 is equal to 27. Twelve plus 11. 12 plus 11 is equal to 23. 11 plus 8. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 22 plus 13. 22 plus 13 is equal to 35. 20 plus 11. 20 plus 11 is equal to 31. Shall we match the following now? Fourteen plus 12. 26. 13 plus 11. 24. 21 plus 13. 34. 32 plus 15. 47. 24 plus 13. 37. Shall we help Buzz add now? 26 plus 19 . 45. 18 plus 15 . 33. 12 plus 18 . 30. 24 plus 19 . 43. 16 plus 12 . 28. 24 plus 17 . 41. 36 plus 16 . 52. 44 plus 17 . 61. Will you help Buzz add? Sheila has 14 books and Sahil has 13 books. How many books do they have in all? Fourteen plus 13 is equal to 27. There are 27 books. Monku has 18 bananas. His mother has 29 bananas. How many bananas are there in all? 18 plus 29 is equal to 47. There are 47 bananas. Chinu has 25 marbles. Sahil has 17 marbles. How many marbles are there in all? 25 plus 17 is equal to 42. There are 42 marbles. Futta has 19 pencils. Chinu has 16 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? 19 plus 16 is equal to 35. There are 35 pencils. There are 18 yellow flowers and 16 pink flowers. How many flowers are there in all? 18 plus 16 is equal to 34. There are 34 flowers. Goodbye, friends.